Hey friends, hi. So welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to share how you can convert your 2D images into captivating 3D animation. So I've recently discovered this amazing platform which can convert your images into absolutely incredible, amazing 3D animation. It gives such seamless animation to your images that you can actually build a captivating video out of your images. So let's discover this platform. Let's quickly have a look as to how this can help you. So this is the platform called leiapix. You can log in over here on leiapix.com, and this is a stunning platform for my friends. You can get your images, like it says, turn your 2D images into captivating 3D animations using leiapix AI. It's very intuitive, absolutely amazing, where with absolute ease you can convert any of your images into 3D motion, like the one that you are seeing right now in front of you. You know how beautiful the motion has been given to this image. So I tested this platform out and wanted to see its potential and how it can really help while we are generating videos for our clients. So let's log in and let's dive in and understand how this platform works and can give you this absolute transformation of your images into 3D animation. So let's sign in. Right, so it's just logging us in. Right, so let's start with this image. For the sake of this video, I have shortlisted an image which we can work on. So we keep doing a lot of work for our real estate clients, and we create this 2D images and renders and perspectives. So I was really looking at something where if we can have a platform which can help us convert this 2D images into 3D and make our sort of our workflow much faster and more efficient. So that's when I pumped into this platform and I sort of gave it a shot in terms of how we can use this. So let's upload an image. Right, so let's go to this image. Okay, we're working for this client where we're doing a 3D perspective. And sort of right. So selected the image and we say open. Yeah, so it is now converting the depth and motion in the image. You're almost there, 88%. Okay. I think it's working a little more on the image right here. Okay. Alright, we got it. Okay. So that's how this image now looks. As you can see, it's given a bit of depth and motion to the image. It's given some 3D feel and depth to the image. Now let's see the kind of options that we have. So if I drop down into the animation style, as you can see, there are quite a few animation styles that you can give to give this image. So let's say if I select this zoom, see how beautiful this image is looking now. It's given the zoom in. How beautiful motion it has given to this image. So that's zooming into the image. You can try out different animation styles. Let's say if I want to keep it vertical, try vertical. Right. So I selected that, and that's how it's given the image a vertical motion. Now you can give perspective. So it kind of gives a bit of perspective to the image, sort of moves left and right. It gives nice 3D feel to the image. And if I were to use this zoom left, it's going more closer. It's going on to the left side of the image, giving that left motion to the image. So likewise, you can do a lot of things with the animation style. You can loop it, so it kind of loops back and forth with that animation style. Further down, it's got various options. Where let's say we go to the manual settings. So you can basically position the animation the way you want it at X, Y, and Z axis. Because that's how animations are. They are 3D, and this image is becoming 3D. So you've got control over the X, Y, Z axis. You can move that, frame. I move the x-axis and the image is moving. The depth that leiapix has given, it's moving on the x-axis. So if you do it in y, and that's x. So you can move and give any kind of motion and animation to your images. This is absolutely stunning. And then you can go linear. So you can move your x-axis on linear, y-axis on linear. So it's just incredible. Circular. You can move around on your x-y-z axis on a circular path, a linear path, the arc path. It's just incredible the kind of control that this platform gives you to convert your image into animation. Now, amount of motion. So, now we are at about 40%. Let's see if I toggle it to, alright, see it goes full on. If I toggle it to like 84, it's sort of gone way much into the depth. So we keep it at 43. So you can decide the amount of motion that you want to give it. The animation length. So once again, you can sort of go up to 10 seconds, because now it's on the beta version. So they have 10 seconds. I'm sure as they move to the alpha and to the more commercial usage, they will give us an access to a bigger length. So that's the animation length for you. Focus point. You can set the focus point far, close. Where, how do you want it? So that's your focus, your lens. You can set that up. That's edge dilation. Once again, in this you can toggle with this and see the results that it gives you. Yeah, so it's sort of it's dilating the edges. Depth map. Now don't show it again. Got it. Yeah, so sort of you can use this to understand the depth map, and in terms of how what is the kind of depth that the image has. With that, so you can define the depth and the size of the depth map brush. So let's see if I go back. Let's say discard. So here we are back onto all the styles. So let's say we are okay with this animation style, and we can, if you want to take it, get the video out of this. So let's say if I say export, there we go. So got 10 seconds, and I go next. All right, and I say save. Yeah, so we're almost there. It's processing the file export. So I had done this. I think it's just about to download. In fact, I had processed the image earlier. Let's say over here. And if I were to just check right, I think we are there. We got the download. Yes. So let's play that. All right. So this is the animation. Let's play that. Yeah, we're about to. One sec. Yeah, it's still loading the video. Okay, all right. Here we go. So that's how the video looks now. It was just an image, and as you can see, it's given us a stunning video out of that image. that image has been converted into a 3D motion clip. So it's got this amazing power. So think of it. I mean, any of your images, project images, you don't have the time to do the motion or create a video or render animations. You don't have the time to render the animation. Now you can absolutely use your images and convert them into an animated clip just by using this platform. You need not really render your images and your model into complete animation if you don't have the time. So that's how amazing and that's how powerful this platform is. And let me show you another case study. We were recently working on a project where we were doing these 3D renders for client. Right. So these are the 3D renders. We were doing an interior 1 BHK flat for a client, for a real estate client. And we had all these images done up. So all these images were ready. As you can see, all the images are ready. Now we had hardly just about a day left and they wanted to get the 3D animated video out of this flat. Now, as I said, we were really pressed on time and we couldn't have really rendered in just about half a day the entire images, giving them motion in 3D and build a 3D walkthrough out of it. So what we did is we used these images on this platform and sort of we created using leiapix, we gave it motion. And let me show you the result, what kind of video we got. So let me play that video for you. We should be having right here. One sec, let me just go to the video. Okay. Right, so over here we go inside and say, right, so we have the video out here. One sec. Right, so these are all the different clips that we initially rendered, and this is the one. So let me play this. Right, so it's about to be up. Yes, so let me play this right again. So, see how amazing it is, how the images got converted into a 3D animated video and we were able to deliver the video to client. It gave some nice beautiful animation out of the images. So we got a almost 50-second video out of the images. So that's the power of leiapix, and this platform is absolutely amazing. Go for it, explore it for your projects, and it's not all that expensive as well. If you go to the pricing, they have come up with something like $5 for 500 credits. That's quite a lot. 500 credits is quite a lot. So that's just for $5. So even the pricing is pretty right now, very reasonable. And yeah, I mean, this platform can give you some stunning animations out of your images. So explore the platform. I've given the link in the description, and I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Signing off for now.